Dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in Binomial Theorem chapter. Today we are going to solve 4 questions from 2022. Okay, year 2022. Tomorrow we will finish with the 2023 questions this chapter. 2022 question, serial number 33. If 40C0 plus 41C1 plus 42C2 up to 60C20 is equal to m by n into 60 by 60C20, where m and n are co-primes, then m plus n is equal to how much, like they are asking. Okay. See here, see several types of what we can say questions we have done. How we have done? Just I want to explain why, because it's 2 types we have done. This is third type. This also a model, you observe carefully. Okay, first term is like, see what we can say, NC1, NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus NC3 up to plus NCn. This type of question directly we know, even if start with NC1 also, NC0 we will take that side. This value is 2 power n. If here 4 comes means 2 power 4, 5 comes means 2 power 5. This is one model. Second model what we have done? Second model, okay, what we can say, R is common. See here n is common, R is changing. NCR. N is common, R is changing. Another model, NC2, RS, we can say R plus n plus 1 CR plus n plus 2 CR plus n plus 3 CR plus n plus 4 CR. Like that question also we have done. Okay, but please remember here first term will be 0. Then only this is possible. Why? With what formula we are doing? With this formula. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. This formula we will apply here, and we have done these questions. These 2 questions I don't want to repeat again. This already we have done. If you go back and see, this is 33rd question. Okay? But here if you see, here R is changing. Okay, see R we have made like this. Okay, actually it has come like this earlier, but we have made like this in that question. Straight away if I say R is common but n is changing, here n is common, R is changing. Here n is also changing, R is also changing. This is third model type. Then how we are solving this, observe carefully. Okay, this is very good question. See, I am not taking all questions, all terms, 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms I will take. I will make one, what we can say, algorithm, and we will give final result. Okay, see how I am doing. See, I want to take 40C0 plus 41C1. Only these 2. These 2 I want to write like this. Observe carefully what I am writing. Okay, 1 by 41 plus 1 into 41C1. What I have written? 40C0 plus 41C1 together I have written like this. Now see, 2 terms have become 1 term. Now also you may say, sir, if you multiply 2 terms will come. No, see what I want to do, 1 plus 41, that means 42 by 41 into 41C1. Now it has become only 1 term. This is coefficient. This is 1 term only. Here also coefficient term. Okay. See, if you multiply 2 terms will come. That is also correct. But now with 1 coefficient, that means 1 term. 1 term we have made this. Again what we do? We do this 42C2. These 2 terms have become 1 term and the second term 2 terms. Again like that I am going to do. Okay. But you may get doubt whether these 2 is going to become, is this correct or not. That I want to prove you. Not proof, I can say verification. Okay. Okay. These 2 terms we have made like this. But if you go back here, see this can be split like this. You see 1 by 41 into 41C1 plus 41C1. 41C1 is there, but we have to show that 1 by 41 into 41 C1 is equal to 40 C0. That means what we have to show, 1 by 41 into 41 C1 is equal to 40 C0. This we have to prove. Now we are going to prove. You see how I am writing. Comma I am keeping. You see this you don't do. LHS only I am doing. You see 1 by 41 into 41 into 40 factorial by 41 minus 1, 40 factorial into 1 factorial. See 41, 41 if we cancel out automatically, 40 factorial by 40 factorial into 1 factorial or 0 factorial, both are same. Is it 40 C 40, 40 C 0? Okay? That means see, we can say that 1 by 41 into 41 C1 is equal to 40 C0. Okay? Then we have converted 40 C0 into 41 C1 with another what we say coefficient, and we have added to this one. Then coefficients have become like this: 42 by 41, 41 C1. Okay? This. Now see, next time what we are going to do, see now we have got these two terms have become like this. See how I am writing. These two terms have modified like this. You see 42 by 41 into 41 C1 plus 42 C2 plus dash 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 plus last term I am writing 60 C20. This is the series now. Why? Because the one term omitted, reduced. Why? Because totally actually 1 to 20, 20 plus 1. 21 terms are there, now 20 terms only. Okay, why? Because we have one term we have added. Now see, now we are taking these two terms. These two terms if you take automatically what will happen? See 1 by 41 earlier, now it is going to become 2 by 41 plus 1 into now this term 42 C2 plus dash 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 plus 60 C20. First time 1 by 41, second time 2 by 41. This also we are going to show you how we are achieving this and all. Okay? See how I am writing. This also you see, here observe carefully here, 42 C2 is already is there plus 1 into. What you have to show? See 2 by 41 into 42 C2 should be equal to this one. 42 by 41 into 41 C1. Okay, see how I am writing. 2 by 41 into, see 42 C2, 42 into 41 factorial by 42 minus 2, 40 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, 2 you cancel out. That's all. That means see 42 by 41 into 41 factorial by 40 factorial. See here nothing is there like you may think, but you can take 1 factorial. 1 factorial is 1. Okay? Now you tell me, is it correct? 42 by 41 into 41 C1. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, one more we will prove. Then we will write finally. Okay, now see what I am writing. See now we are changing this term like this. You see now it has become what? See 2 plus 41, 43. 43 by 41 into 42 C2. 2 plus 41, 43 by 41 into 42 C2 plus here 43 C2, 43 C3 will be there. 43 C3. Why? Because N and R both are changing. Plus last term will be 60 C20. This is equal to how we are changing. See, first we have changed, second we have changed, third we are changing. See 1 by 41 over, 2 by 41 over. Now I am writing 3 by 41. 3 by 41 plus 1 into this 43. C3 plus 60 C20. Okay. This also we will prove. Okay, see what will happen here. See already 43 C3 is there 1 into, but we have to prove that 3 by 41 into 43 C3, this should be equal to this one. 43 by 41 into 42 C2. This we have to prove. Okay, if we prove this, automatically our algorithm is correct. Okay, now you see LHS I am taking 3 by 41 into 43 into 42 factorial by, okay, only one factorial extra we are going to write. 43 minus 3, 40 factorial into 3 factorial. 3 factorial means how we are writing 3 into 2. Okay, 3 into 2 you have to write. 3 factorial. Okay, now you see these 3 you cancel out. Okay, and this is going to become 43 by 41 into, okay, see 42, this 2 you can take as 2 factorial. 42 factorial by 40 factorial into 2 factorial. Shall I write? This is going to become 43 by 41 into 42C2. 43 by 41 into 43C2. That means what I can write now? I can write like this, you see. Finally, I am finalizing. Why? Because see, total I have told you here. You have gone up to 1 means R 1 by 41. You have gone up to 20 means what you are going to write now? $20 by 41, that's all. 20 by 41 plus 1 into 60C20 plus 60C20 is equal to I think this 60/20 only we have got. Understand? See, 1 by 41, 2 by 41, 3 by 41, 1 by 41, 2 by 41, 3 by 41, 20 by 41. That means last term we have made like this. Okay, see, here itself this term has come. Because 60C20 plus this. Okay? See, 20 plus 41, 61 by 41 into 60C20. Now see, this is equal to m by n 60C20. M plus n is equal to 61 plus 41. That is equal to 102. Understand? Okay? See this. If you are not understanding, once again you go back and see. Because this is very important question. Here n also changed, r also changed. Okay? Let us go for next question.